Welcome to Techie Dialogue. Today, we're going to walk you through how to enable the activity dashboard and see history in Google Docs, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Start by opening the Google Chrome web browser on your computer. Step 2. In the top right corner of Chrome, click on the grid icon with 9 dots. From the drop-down menu, select Docs to open Google Docs. Step 3. Once Google Docs is open and fully loaded, look for the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. Click on these lines to open the side menu. Step 4. In the side menu, find and click on Settings. Step 5. In the Settings menu, locate the Activity Dashboard option. Toggle it on to enable the Activity Dashboard, which allows you to see the history of who has viewed your documents. After that, click on Done to close the settings window. And that's it. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.